Hello folks, today I'm looking at a chimney. I was told we had a little leakage going on and they was worried about what was happening. Well, they're going to be shocked when they see this. See, oh, this brick is literally already deteriorated, spalding and coming really literally off of the ground and falling. But look here, you can see where, you know, moisture and stuff has gotten inside of here and it's literally breaking up. I'm not going to move it too much, but you can see here, see that, see where it's literally falling apart. You can see where coming up along through here where water's getting in here. Of course, up in my crown, moisture's getting up inside of here and getting down inside of my chimney. Probably it's getting literally inside of the chimney itself. This is a full masonry chimney, fireplace, and we have full masonry blowout, big problems. Anyway, look at that. That's what you're looking for. Oh, it gets even worse on this side here. That's what you're looking at when you want to look at a chimney. And for any possible leaks, and give us a call, Galloway Building Services. We'd love to help you and look at anything you're needing to be taken care of. And yeah, if you like what we have and you like all our videos, please hit like and subscribe. It would really help everybody else and help us promote our channel by helping others. Alrighty folks, have a great day. Thank you so much. God bless. We appreciate you.